Earning money while you sleep is an enticing concept and is often associated with passive income. Here are some ways you can attempt to create streams of income that might generate revenue even when you're not actively working on them. Investing in stocks and bonds. Investments in stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments can earn dividends and interest over time. Consult with a financial advisor to understand what might be the best investment for your particular situation. Real estate investment. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of income. Write a book or create content. If you're an expert in a particular field, writing a book or creating content, videos, courses, etc., on platforms like Udemy, YouTube, or other educational websites can generate income through sales and advertising revenue. Develop a software or mobile app. If you have development skills, creating a software or mobile app that solves a problem. Create a blog or website. Running a blog or website with high-quality content and affiliate marketing can earn money through advertising and affiliate sales. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms that allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses online can generate interest income. License your photography or art. If you're an artist, licensing your work to websites that sell stock photos or art can bring in a passive income. Create and sell digital products. This could include anything from design templates to ebooks, sold on platforms like Etsy. Automate an e-commerce business through drop shipping or using fulfillment services. Dividend stocks and mutual funds. Investing in dividend-paying stocks or mutual funds that provide regular income through dividend payouts. Purchase a vending machine. A well-placed vending machine can generate revenue. Create a subscription service. If you have a product or service that people need on a recurring basis, creating a subscription service can create a steady income stream. Royalties from inventions or patents. If you've invented something or hold a patent, you could earn royalties from licensing that intellectual property. Annuities. An annuity is a financial product that you pay into, and it provides a steady income stream often during retirement. ATM ownership. Owning an ATM and placing it in strategic locations can generate fees from transactions. Franchise ownership. Owning a franchise of a successful business model can be a way to generate income.